Machine digging, tractor or powered tools. A detailed overview. Introduction. Machine digging refers to the use of powered machinery, such as tractors and specialized tools, to prepare the soil for planting. This method is primarily used for large-scale farming and is preferred for its efficiency, speed, and ability to handle tough, compacted soils. It's an essential practice in modern agriculture, enabling farmers to manage larger plots of land more effectively. Advantages of machine digging: speed and efficiency. Machine digging allows for large areas of land to be prepared quickly, reducing the time and effort required for soil preparation. This is especially beneficial for farmers working with large farms where manual digging would be impractical. Increased depth. Machines such as plows and tillers can dig deeper into the soil compared to manual methods. Deeper soil preparation allows plant roots to penetrate more easily, improving water absorption and root growth, handling tough soils. In areas with compacted, rocky, or clay-heavy soils, machines can break up tough layers that would be too difficult or time-consuming to handle manually. This ensures better aeration and root development for crops. Consistency. Machines ensure uniform soil preparation across large areas, leading to consistent planting conditions. This helps crops grow evenly, optimizing yield potential. 3. Challenges and considerations. Cost. The initial cost of purchasing machinery, tractors, plows, tillers, can be high, especially for small-scale farmers. Additionally, there are ongoing costs for maintenance, fuel, and repairs. This can be a barrier for farmers with limited financial resources. Soil compaction. While machines can help prepare soil quickly, excessive use of heavy machinery can lead to soil compaction. This occurs when the weight of the machinery presses down on the soil, reducing its porosity and making it harder for water and air to penetrate. To avoid this, farmers must carefully manage their use of machines and rotate their fields to maintain soil health. Environmental impact. Frequent machine digging, especially with large tractors, can disturb the soil ecosystem, killing beneficial organisms like earthworms and microorganisms. It's essential to balance mechanized digging with sustainable farming practices to minimize this impact. Conclusion. Machine digging plays a significant role in modern agriculture by enhancing efficiency, saving time, and allowing farmers to handle larger plots of land. However, it is important to use the right equipment, follow best practices, and be mindful of potential challenges such as soil compaction and environmental impacts. When used responsibly, machine digging can be an invaluable tool for improving soil health and optimizing crop production. Manual Digging Detailed Guide, Introduction. Manual digging refers to the traditional method of soil preparation using hand tools such as spades, garden forks, and hoes. It is commonly practiced on small-scale farms, family gardens, or plots of land that do not require heavy machinery. While it demands significant physical effort and time, manual digging is cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and helps maintain soil structure. 1. Tools used in manual digging. Garden fork, ideal for breaking up compacted soil, useful for loosening the soil and removing plant roots. Spade, commonly used for digging and turning soil, suitable for small plots or tight spaces. Hand cultivator, used for loosening the topsoil layers, perfect for light soil preparation tasks in gardens or small fields. Hand harrow, designed for leveling soil and removing small stones or debris. 2. Advantages of manual digging. Preserves soil structure. Manual digging minimizes the risk of soil compaction or excessive disruption, helping to maintain the soil's natural condition. Cost-effective. This method requires minimal financial investment since hand tools are affordable and long-lasting. Ideal for small plots, it is highly effective for small-scale farming, household gardens, or specialty crops. Environmentally friendly, manual digging eliminates the need for fuel or heavy machinery, reducing its environmental impact. Weed and pest control. Farmers can closely monitor the soil and manually remove weeds or pests during the digging process. 3. Challenges of manual digging. Labor-intensive. Manual digging requires significant physical effort, which can be exhausting, especially for large plots or tough soils. Time-consuming. Compared to machinery, manual digging takes much longer, particularly when working on larger plots. Physical strain. Without proper techniques.
Subscribe to my channel.